Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to try to improve our GPS signal on our T12v2. Come on, let's begin. Alright, so this is what we have. We're gonna try to improve our signal, our GPS signal on our T12v2 on the 4RUNNER. Someone asked or leave me a comment on one of my video if I can try a cable, which I did try to order that cable that they're talking about, but did not receive it. So I decided to do a little research what cable I can use. So we're gonna try this. If this works, we're also gonna try this adapter. So I think this will help us to plug this to our unit at the back. So this is it's a 2-pack RF whatever SMB, this one. So let's see. So I'll put the link in the description below on the parts that I'm using. So this one, so it has this male thingy, it has this female thing in the back. So that, and this Maestro thing. So this is the STO2 Toyota satellite radio and GPS adapters. So this connects to the aftermarket radio. So yeah, so let's see if this will improve. We will do before and after. We'll run the GPS test on that on the Android head unit that we have, and then we're gonna work on this. I don't know which cable we're gonna use, but whatever. I think this one plugs in here. Yeah, so this goes there, then we put this at the back, and then I don't know. I don't know. I don't know which one. But yeah, so we'll find out if this will work. So again, I'm inside of the garage. We're gonna run it as is, basically, and this will basically clean up the look or minus one wire, one cable at the back of your head unit. So let's see if it will make any difference. If not, then you can return this, right? So yeah, come on, let's go to the car. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna do a GPS test on the antenna, on the one that came with the device. So let's do that. So let's wait if it will acquire. Okay, well, we still have 3 satellites, 0 connection still with those 3 satellites that we have. So I don't know. So we've been waiting for about 2 minutes and still showing yes. So right now we're still waiting to get a satellite or a GPS lock on this one. So let's see. Let's open Google Maps. I have the offline maps downloaded. Yes, they should. Yeah, so it's not finding me. There you go. Well, it found me, I guess. Let's see. No, that's not me at all. I'm not in Port Orchard. Okay, well, let's try this again. Open it. So it found 5 satellites, still not locked. So we're almost 5 minutes here. Yeah, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna install the cable, the fixed, so that it will use the factory GPS. And I know the shark fin is the XM radio, so we'll see. Okay, so basically we need to remove everything, you know what I mean. So I know it's a little hard to work on the wires on this the harness on this particular head unit. It is tough, but yeah, so at least I'm gonna try. At least you don't have to do it. If it works or not, then yeah, all right, I'll let you know. So the GPS is the middle one. So once you connected the Maestro, the new one, find this cable. I don't know which one is which, so we're gonna try which one is the one that is working properly. This two basically fits in this one, so we need to figure out which one is the GPS. Okay, so which of the two? All right, so use the white plug, that is the GPS, because right now it sees four satellite. And let's see if we will get locked in. Now down to 3, now 4, 5. Now we got a lock in. So now we're getting a lot more. So we got 6, but only 5 are connected right now. So we got a lock in. So earlier we tried the one from the kit, and yeah, inside the garage it found 3 or 5, but no lock in. And we waited like 3 or 4 minutes, I guess, and then no lock in. So with this one we got a perfect locked in right now. Basically less than 2 minutes we got the lock in. So does it improve? We'll see. I don't know. So we're even getting a Chinese satellite. Yeah, so all US satellites we got locked in. So we got 7 out of 8 locked in now. So yeah, so I think it's an improvement. So as we can see, immediate locked in with this one. Let's see if Google Maps will see us. Most likely it will. So locked in, locked in. Let's search. Where am I? Yeah, so it's actually seeing us here, because earlier it's just showing home with the house. It doesn't have that blue thing in there. See, it moves there. So see, it moves back. Earlier it pulled up a Port Orchard, but right now every time I touch that, it goes on the blue dot. So yeah, I guess this is better. Yeah, I'll put the link in the description below on what parts do you need to use your factory GPS antenna on the car. But again guys, this is optional. If you want to use the one that came from Cartrimhome, there should be no issue really. Yeah, it might be just the positioning of this antenna. You can put it on by the top of your windshield, on the corner. What I mean is on the windshield here, or somewhere on your dash, but less clutter on this particular solution that I tried. So thank you for the one who comment on my previous video. Now we can say it is working. Let's pull that one up again. Yeah, so it's working if you want to use your factory GPS less clutter. I want to try this also on the RAV4 because on the RAV4 I have one basically. So again, I'll put the link in the description. The parts that you need to do this conversion, again, very easy. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.